an extensive network of public transportation and taxis. Consistently voted as one of the best in the world for its ease of use and frequency of service. The Seoul subway system is one of the most efficient ways to travel around the city. Tmoney card is the rechargeable card that you can use on the public transport. It will take you around Seoul and in several other cities in South Korea. The card can also be used to pay the fares of some taxis and as a prepaid card in different shops. If you have insufficient funds on your Tmoney card or single journey ticket, you can add money by using the fare adjustment machines located near the turnstiles. You may buy the card and charging at any time at the convenience stores.